Living DIY out on the homestead, sooner or later you're going to have to deal with predators. You can't ignore the problem. You can try, but your wife won't let you. The most common predator is the raccoon. Sure, raccoons are cute critters, and they may seem harmless, but they can cause significant damage to your homestead. Raccoons are smart, but you can outsmart them if you put your mind to it. Miracles do happen. These critters are notorious for getting into everything, from trash cans to attics, and attacking your livestock. Raccoons really like chicken. Hey, I can't blame them. I like a good chicken sandwich too. Today, I want to talk with you about how to safely keep your homestead raccoon-free. Live life DIY with Rob. Freedom from predators. The best way for you to learn is by letting someone else, like me, do it first and make all the mistakes. Hey, you're welcome. We're going to talk about using one of these handy dandy live traps. But first, we need to talk about making your homestead less attractive to raccoons. I'm not talking about making you or your wife less attractive. No need to be doing that. We're talking about making your property less attractive to raccoons. The property. Don't let trash build up because raccoons are looking for a free meal. Kind of like the in-laws on a holiday. Bunch of freeloaders. Anyway, don't pile garbage in the bed of an old pickup truck. Just because the truck no longer runs and you're too lazy to fix it, the truck bed is not a good place to store garbage. Our primary concern is keeping our chickens safe. At night, we close them up in a raccoon-proof chicken coop. But sometimes, like this time of the year when it's hot out, they like to roost for the night out on our front porch railing. We lost one to a raccoon the other night. Little bugger climbed right up onto the porch and grabbed the chicken with its hand-like paws. So it's time to set the live trap. If you don't have a live trap, you can find one at the local farm store, or you can order one online, or in your neighbor's garage. This is important. What do you use for bait? What will attract a mischievous raccoon and entice it to enter the live trap? Many people suggest cat food, and it's true, raccoons are attracted to cat food. But what other animal living on your homestead likes cat food? Tater, what are you doing, buddy? Yep, cats like cat food. And if you catch a cat in your live trap, the cat won't be happy. And you lost an opportunity to catch a raccoon. I suggest marshmallows, like these big square ones. Put a couple of these into the trap, and you're good to go. Raccoons love these things. Hey, maybe put a couple of them in your pocket for later. Oh, almost forgot to mention having a dog to help keep raccoons off of your homestead. My memory isn't as good as it used to be. Have you ever got up out of your chair, walked into a different room, and forgot why you were there? Hopefully it wasn't the bathroom. If you do get a dog, you want to get an LGD. That's LGD, not LSD. Don't make that mistake or the raccoons will really be freaking you out. A dog properly trained will help keep predators like raccoons off of your homestead. Bonnie, get the raccoon. Look, it's a raccoon. Bonnie, time to chase a raccoon. Properly trained is important. Remember, safety first. Learn from other people's mistakes, and you will be able to protect your homestead from the property damaging, chicken eating raccoons. Living a happy, freedom life without raccoons.